Intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome to my channel. If you are new, what's up? My name is Natalie, and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So today's video is going to be an AliExpress and Wish haul. I would tell you the types of things I ordered, but I don't really remember because it was so long ago. But I can tell you about the AliExpress stuff. So ever since I found out about them having Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powders on there, allegedly, I don't know, actually even more pigmented versions of them, I ordered a whole bunch of makeup that looks like high-end but is not high-end price, so that I can compare it to the authentic high-end product and see if they really are the same or if they work the same. So if you are interested in seeing what I got, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and you know what to do. Alright, so here, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. I might have been a little confusing. So one of the products that I got from AliExpress is this Too Faced Hangover Rx Primer. Okay, so I ordered from Ulta, so I know for like 100% certainty that it is Too Faced, the Hangover RX Primer. So the packaging is almost identical, everything, and as far as ingredients, it looks the same. Alright, but anyway, so that I'm gonna do a video where I try the makeup from AliExpress versus the makeup I bought from Ulta or Sephora. Alright, next one. Again, I don't even know how to explain this or what to say. First of all, the box, that's a Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Like, for real. But it was like $6. I can't. So I got this because, well, the picture looked like it was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter, but they must have had multiple shades because packaging and the product itself looks, not the packaging, the product itself looks very similar to the Amrezy highlighter. So this is the HOJO Brilliance Shimmering Stereoscopic High Disc. What? You see that kind of like those waves? That's what like the Amrezy palette had. Is that a... no, that's like a fake mirror. But it's super pigmented, actually. Like, look at that. Hey, I'll take it. Okay, so I have really been wanting to try the Colourpop sponges that they came out with, and these looked very similar. Or it's just the Beauty sponges. I don't like this shape in beauty sponges, but I mean, they could suck. We'll have to see. If they do suck, I'm sure they only need a couple dollars. Okay, so next I got what looked to me exactly like MAC Pigment. So this is a pigment in Mauve Pearl. I just think it looks gorgeous. It looks like rose pigment from MAC. Alright, I got a lot more stuff from AliExpress, but I have it upstairs, but I will be doing that video soon. So let's move on to the Wish items. So this is, how many are in here? It's a little, ooh, these aren't gonna fit. I got these for like when I sell my soap, but that's not gonna fit. Oh, actually it does fit. That's awesome. Okay, great. Ooh, Oh, that's really cute. So it's like a gold metallic design. Okay. Another soap related item. I got this, it's a 2-piece soap holder if I remember correctly. I like to have 2 soaps at my sink. One I use to clean my brushes, and then the other I use to like wash my hands or my face or whatever. Here it is. Of course it's in pink. It has a suction cup on the back. Perfect. Not what I was expecting to get. These are like LED lights, but they look a lot bigger in the picture. So these hearts are like fabric material. Okay, I have to get some batteries. I have to know what these look like. Yeah. I don't know. Let me turn this light off real quick. I mean, I guess they're okay. So these are basically like adjustable curtain rods. It's all in Japanese, so I don't know how I'm gonna, hopefully I can just figure it out. So the reason I got these, yeah, you just, I guess, open it and then put your curtain rod there, but it has to be a pretty small curtain rod. Okay. Yeah, this is like the smallest curtain rod I have. And then it has an adhesive back. So the reason I got this was because I have a backdrop stand, but it takes up so much room, and a lot of the backgrounds I use kind of have like that pocket like curtains do. So I was like, maybe I could just use a curtain rod and then I wouldn't have to use all the space of the backdrop holder. Okay, so I got some earrings. These are like diamond, they're gold with rhinestones in a diamond shape. And let me try it on. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Ooh, I got a new phone case. Okay, that's cute. The one I have on there now, I really, really like. It's super durable. I've dropped it so many times. It hasn't broke. The one time I did put a different case on that was similar to this, I dropped it and it did break. So I just have to be really careful if I use this case. Oh, that's cute. I don't know what I planned on using these for, but these are kind of basically like command strips, like cheap command strips with hooks. You can hang towels on these, jewelry, like everything. So you get a whole, like, you get quite a few of them. And command strips can be expensive, man. I'm like, it's a freaking sticker. Really? $14? This is actually from AliExpress, so something else that I'm going to be testing versus the original. Like, what? Oh. It's broken, number one. Number two, this is not the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette. Trust me. I mean, it's a dupe of it, but no way. How can they do that? Oh my gosh, those are so poorly pigmented. I got, oh my gosh, I already started using a few of these. So these are little like mesh bags, and I put my soap in it, and it makes it lather. Oh my gosh, so well. It's like so lathery and bubbly and smooth, and oh my gosh, I use this in the shower. I'll use it if I want to use the soap to wash my face. It is just, it makes the biggest difference. And it came with like a whole bunch of them in there. Okay, so this is like a storage anything. It could be for clothes or sheets. Okay. I also bought a bunch of the like vacuum seal bags. I need to move. I just need more room, but I've been seriously putting it off for years because it's so hard for me to move because I'm in pain every single day. Like, my lease is up in February. I legit would have to start packing now. I do need to start packing now. Just because, like, I can't do it in a few days, you know? But yeah, this would be good to put, like, all the vacuum sealed, like, comforters I have in there. Okay. Alright, next. Oh, I remember. These are supposed to, like, somehow take off hair. There's no directions. Okay, so I have to wet my skin. Let me go wet my arms. You know what though? I did just kind of shave my arms though. Well, let me try anyways. Okay, so then it says rub in a circular motion. Okay, that shit's not working. Maybe I'm not doing it right? No, if I'm doing it wrong, please let me know. Okay, so apparently I got this Stop hairspray. So it says it can be used for arms, for legs, for back, for face, for underarm, and for private. So either it could work or it could burn my vagina. Since it came from Wish, probably the latter. I don't know why I would get this. Okay. Next is something that hopefully won't burn my vagina. Oh, it is a belt. Oh, that's cute. How does it work? Here's the clasp. Wait, no. Oh, wait. This is... Oh! So these are supposed to be like straps on a bra or something, but how do you work it? Anyways, I'll have to figure that out. So I also got a couple of canvas prints. I need to get like frames for them. Oh, they're already starting to get wrinkled. So here is one. It says Vogue. This is Marilyn Monroe. Right in front of me. Lashes. So I just need to get some frames and hang them up on the wall. I also got my cat a little pet tunnel, so I'll show you guys that real quick as well. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this Wish and AliExpress haul. I will see you guys next time. Bye.